What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. In this video I will show you guys how I took this trade, but while I was trading NQ I was actually on a phone call, so that's why there is no live commentary, but I'll show you guys a time lapse on the trade, how it played out, and after the time lapse you guys can see the actual explanation of why I took the trade. So make sure to keep watching till the end to see how I place a trade and why I place a trade.
See this life thing, yeah, it's all about understanding, bro. You gotta understand what you're doing, you need a direction.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to a new video. As you can see, I have a new haircut, so but let me explain this straight to you, because as you probably saw in the time-lapse video, as I fast forward the video, I placed this trade on Topstepx. I made around $200 across, I would say around $1,000 across 500 accounts. So as you can see, this is my leader account. I have 4 other accounts. This one is has the exact same profit, but a totally different account. This account is finally now in profit. It's around $107 in profit. This account is still in a loss, minus $446. This account minus 248. The fourth and the fifth are also on minus 284 minus. This is not correct. I think maybe I do have to reload this. Yes, and this one also. So yeah. So let me explain this trade, why I actually took it, and my thought process behind the trade. So as you guys know, I start off on the higher time frame. On the weekly time frame, the NQ has been on a massive rally. It has already taken out the previous weekly high, and it gapped. The market opened actually higher, so we have a very big gap. On the daily time frame, did we take out the most or the previous daily high? For NQ and NQ only, but not on ES. And I always say NQ is leading, so I only look for things that happen on NQ and not vice versa. So that's one thing to mention. We can see that the London high has also been taken. So on this 15 minutes, the London high has been taken, which was at 445. The Asia low has also been grabbed, but what I saw was this magnet area, this 4-hour fair value gap, which was my overall TP. On this 15-minute swing, I placed the Fibonacci and I hoped for price to tap into the 50% of the Fibonacci. It also tapped in a 15-minute bearish fair value gap and a 5-minute bearish fair value gap. And yeah, what I basically was waiting for was a grab of liquidity, which was this first objective over here. It got swept. Also, we had this sweep of this little candle right here. And yeah, when price made a new break of structure, normally I would place a sell stop, but in this case I was kind of too late. I just came back from an appointment. I opened my laptop and the entry was basically there. I just had 1 minute, 2 minutes of chart time, and the setup was already presenting itself. And yeah, I just placed a trade. My first TP was over here. My overall TP was here. But as you guys already saw, I closed my trade out early on this low over here. Why? Because I am in a slight loss and I want to cover my losses guaranteed. So I would rather close out on 200 profit guaranteed on this low than risk the $200 for like $100 more profit on all the accounts. So that's why I closed the trade early. And yeah, that's basically it. So the overall trade was very well executed. We made some profit. We made around $1,000 across 5 accounts. Price will definitely go a bit lower. I would say to maybe 160-ish. We have some lows over here. And yeah, that's basically it, guys. I trade once, maybe twice a week. And the accounts overall for this month have around $300 profit. Last month we made around $250 profit. The month before we almost made nothing because I wasn't trading that much at the time. The previous month already also like $250. So we are gradually growing the account back into profit. And yeah, this is the update of the account, guys. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.